Esquire Magazine's Top 50 Sci-Fi Books of All Time, Part 3. Well, we all knew it was going to happen eventually, but Robert Heinlein has officially entered the chat. An alternative title for this book could just be Moon Prison Isn't Fun. It's basically the American Revolution and the Australian Revolution, but set in space. And because this is Robert Heinlein, you know that you're going to get a heavy dose of thinly veiled political manifesto with your fiction. So if that sounds like a good time to you, then I would refer you to this book. Now, while Robert Heinlein was more progressive than his contemporaries when writing women, he still objectifies them, and sometimes I have a problem with that when I'm reading his stuff. 8.2 out of 10. I am not going to be able to give you an unbiased perspective on this book because this was one of my favorites as a kid. This one helped shape my childhood and probably is one of the reasons why I love science fiction so much. 8.9 out of 10. Okay, Esquire Magazine, really leaning into the classics with this one. This was published in 1899 and is one of the original time travel books, so if you happen to like that genre, then yes, I would refer you to this one. It is very short, it did not blow my mind, and I would replace it with a Doomsday book by Connie Willis, which in my opinion is far superior. This was majorly influential in the genre, so I kind of understand why they included it, but I think other authors have done better work since. 7.4 out of 10. I'll be honest, I read this one a few years ago when it first came out, and I had to look up a summary because I couldn't remember what happened in it. Basically, a massive alien lands on Earth and just wreaks havoc. America, ominously, just goes dark. People rise from the dead. Others gain psychic abilities, and a massive dome gets put over a city in Nigeria. That city is called Rosewater. The main character is kind of a dick who develops a special relationship with an alien. And honestly, I'm thinking of giving this book a second shot because maybe I just wasn't in the right frame of mind. I do remember thinking that the ideas in it were very interesting, but I just didn't quite connect with it the first time. 7.6 out of 10. Hey, Esquire, quick question. What is your definition of science fiction? Because to me, this is not it. Am I wrong? I could be wrong. In my book, this is post-apocalyptic horror/fantasy. There is a bioengineered virus that creates a pandemic, so maybe that's the in, but regardless, this is one of my favorite Stephen King books. Epic good versus evil. 9 out of 10.